If you're a YouTuber, a content creator, or just someone who loves to make videos, this little drone might be the best purchase that you'll make in 2026. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. My name is Miguel with Pro AV Guy, and today I'll be talking about the DJI Neo 2 and why I think it's the best drone for vloggers this year. Before we get started, I just want to let everybody know that this is not a sponsored video. I actually paid for this with my own money. I love it. I want to talk about all the good things and very few bad things. But DJI, if you're watching, call me. Just call me one time. I'll pick up, I promise. So some of the reasons why most vloggers don't use drones are because they're big, they're bulky, they're very delicate. A lot of them also use very big remotes, something like this, or you have to use a phone or an app or a combination of both. But the main reason why I think vloggers don't use drones is because of the setup time. It's a lot of steps to get the shot that you actually want. You have to turn it on, you have to turn on the remote, you have to fly to the right location, you gotta make sure that you're recording. So all of these steps take time. And during that time, the moment's probably gone. But the solution is the DJI Neo 2. Now this thing is small. It's not small enough to fit in your pocket. I'm not gonna say that I can fit this in my pocket unless I have very big pockets or a very big back pocket. But if you do, feel free to put it in there. You could also put this in a book bag or a small book bag. You don't have to worry about damaging it just because it's very well protected all around. Has little bumper guards. The propellers are protected. I've hit trees with this. I hit my own car with this, and it's very rugged and works very well even after a hit. My favorite features of the Neo 2 are the follow mode. I can literally start recording and just walk, or run, or bike, or rollerblade if I want. No pilot, no camera operator, just me and the drone.
3, 2, 1.
The palm takeoff is awesome. This is one of those features that sounds like a gimmick until you actually use it. It launches from your hand and it lands right back in your hand. It also has great image quality. It can shoot up to 4K 60. Is it the best image quality that DJI has? No, it's not. But it's more than good enough for YouTube, family videos, cinematic shots, travel vlogging. It can do all of those very well. Like I said, it goes all the way up to 4K 60. All right, this can't be an honest video review unless you talk about some of the things that you don't like. There's two things that I primarily don't like about the DJI Neo 2. The first one, and the most important one, is the low light performance. Because it has a small sensor, and again, I'm not gonna get into the specs, just know small sensor, bad in low light. Bigger sensor, better in low light. This one doesn't do very well in low light situations. So I don't recommend it for night flying or cinematic night shots. During the day, all day, image quality is phenomenal, but not at night. The second thing that I don't like about this drone is the battery life. Because the drone is so small, the batteries have to be very small as well. So each battery on a full charge, depending on the wind, can last anywhere from 12 to 15 minutes. Is that a deal breaker? No, because most drones don't last that long anyway, but I do plan my shots before I shoot so I can conserve the battery. So who should actually buy this drone? If you're a YouTuber, a solo content creator, a real estate agent, or just someone who wants to get some amazing cinematic footage or just really cool footage without having to learn everything that comes with drones and specifications and requirements and all that good stuff, then this drone is for you. It's pretty cheap, it's fun, and it's very easy to use. So here are my final thoughts on this amazing little gadget that I love so much. I'm sorry, that was a little bit weird, but I do love it a lot. After using this drone for a couple of months, I honestly think it's one of the easiest recommendations that I've made all year. It's smart enough that anybody can fly it. Literally anybody. Because you just press a button, it takes off, records, and lands in your hand. That's it. It's pretty easy. I'm pretty sure you guys want to see me launch this in my studio, and I am. I just hope I don't break anything. but I know nothing's gonna happen, so check it out. If your goal is creating better content without breaking the bank, I think this is the drone to beat in 2026. Well, there you have it. That is my honest review of the DJI Neo 2. If you found this video useful, feel free to hit like, thumbs up, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell just so you know when my next video drops. And again, thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you guys in the next one.